First, whenever feasible, we will try those who have violated American criminal laws in federal courts, courts provided for by the United States Constitution.
I will be frank and honest with you. I am a supporter of a single-payer system over any other system because I do, thank you, I do believe that it will meet your three criteria and be the most economically feasible plan that we have.
Limited the use of drones so they target only those who pose a continuing imminent threat to the United States, where capture is not feasible and there's a near certainty of no civilian casualties. We're transferring detainees to other countries and trying